Varun sir's lecture are amazing, fabulous. The way he explains everything is really good. My name is Falguni Yaduvanshi. Before CPA, I had done my MBA in finance and HR. I searched online all the institutes which provide CPA education here in India, and then I got to know about Miles, and of course the reviews and the ratings were good, so I went ahead and gave it a try. Miles material is very good. That is enough to prepare for the exam. You just need to go through it twice, thrice, and that is enough. There, even you don't need anything as a supplement along with it. It covers everything, each and every point, and in details. LMS is also good. The test bank especially is really good to prepare you for the real exam, the way it is being prepared, and the questions, the MCQs and simulations are very close to what we get in real exam. CPA matlab miles,